Hello, and welcome to the channel, Mind Your Marketing. Today we will reveal the 10 do's and don'ts of email marketing. The first thing you need to do while focusing on the email marketing is grow your email list the right way using a sign-up form that requires subscribers to opt in to receive your emails. And don't buy an email list from any third-party aggregators or sources. Doing this will provide you the genuine list of subscribers or potential customers. Second point is very crucial, it's all about showing your strong presence. Try to keep your business on your customers' mind. Send your welcome email immediately after they subscribe. And as we know, nobody likes to wait, so don't make your new subscribers wait to hear from you after they've signed up. Point number 3 is to make your email rich in content and eye-catchy at first. Include attention-seeking pre-header text to provide more context to your message and encourage your reader to open the email. And do not forget to put pre-header text in your email. Emails with better pre-header texts have higher chances to be opened by readers. Fourth point is regarding the segmentation of your subscribers. Segment your list based on the interests and geographical locations of your audience or according to their stage in the buying cycle. Sending the same email to every subscriber on your list can be a lost cause. Send emails according to the segments of your subscribers. Savvy marketers thinks of email marketing as the most influential type of digital marketing. Fifth point suggests you to get personal with your subscriber. As personalization increases your email's chance of being opened by a large margin. Also, sending a generic email that does not speak to anyone might not help. Moving on to number 6. It is believed that email marketing can deliver 400% ROI approximately. Always use marketing automation to create customer journeys that nurture them and provide them valuable content along the way. Also, don't send disconnected one-off emails to your subscribers. Point number 7. Use dynamic content to tailor messages to subscriber attributes. Focus on your customers' gender, preferences, interests, and their geographical locations. And do not use the same images, media, or graphical content and copy it to same subscriber. The 8th point is very important, as doing this will bring your emails higher chances of being opened. Always give your emails the best chances at being opened. Send emails based on your subscribers' time zones to give your emails the higher chances of being opened. And do not send emails to all subscribers at the same time zone. Point number 9 is double checking. Check every element of your email to ensure it is in shape before sending it to your subscribers. Do not send emails without doing a thorough check for typing mistakes, broken links, and other errors. Here is the last point. Point number 10 on our list. We suggest to use your reporting to improve your future email campaigns and customer engagements. Also, do not ignore your email marketing reporting and analytics. Those were the 10 email marketing do's and don'ts to create high-performing email campaigns that drive results for your business. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe us for more videos on marketing.